I'm Beatrijs, I'm 55 years old. I live in Nijmegen in the Netherlands. I have a hearing loss since my 30s. My hearing aids were not good enough. My hearing loss was that bad that I had to take that cochlear implantate. My hearing specialist advised me the Cochlear Nucleus Nexa System, which has the latest technology, so I was really interested in take that cochlear implantate. My life really improved, social, at work, at home. I'm definitely confident about the future. The battery life is extended. I put on the battery in the morning and late in the evening when I go to bed. It isn't empty yet. If the processor ever gets broken or something, I get another one and it updates right away. I can easily change my sound processor, and with a smart sync I hear again within 20 seconds. The streaming is very simple with the Nucleus 8 Nexa Sound Processor. I can hear music, I can hear my laptop, I can hear everything. Because it's very small, I don't think it's noticed by many people. I don't see it myself and I don't feel it myself either. The technology is getting smarter and smarter, so I'm future-proof right now. My hearing is future-proof.